All right, guys, before procedure, this is Hammer, of course, back in the house. Let's have a really close look at this crown area, famously called the monkey butt by another VIP. But then, of course, we had the front as well. So these markings represent the transplant area before the procedure. We're 4 months post-transplant. There is the man himself. How we doing?
Good, good. As I've said on the air before, you guys have helped me take care of this, and I think this is the medical term, big old bald spot. So, thank you.
And fresh back from a few Guinness in Ireland.
Man, like, it's just different in Ireland. The Guinness out of the tap over there, it's just better. I'm no scientist, I'm no brewmaster, but I've had a few beverages, and it's just better.
You got that right. Right, guys, let's have a little look here. Let's go around to the back first. Now, 4 months post-transplant, generally we've got about 50% growth. Now, if we come in really close here, you can see the hair starting to fill in here. Now, at this point, the hair is a little bit unruly. It's kind of a little bit all over the place. If we take a comb here, have a little look at these hair angles, guys. When they recreate this area, they kind of recreate that swirl, and this is going to continue to fill in. All the follicles that are transplanted have multiple hairs per follicle, so they're kind of at different stages of the growing cycle. We have a look at this receding area. Again, this is about giving a natural age-specific hairline. It's not about making you look like you're 20, which might be nice for a weekend, Hammer, but might also get you in trouble. So when did you first notice growth coming in?
My wife would tell me, because again, I can't see it in the back of my dome here, so she would tell me, you're not as gross as you used to be. And I would tell her, thank you, baby, I appreciate that.
Progress is good.
Right.
So when you see these photographs, of course you see yourself in the mirror every day, what do you think?
I think there's progress, right? And the staff, you and Will and everybody else, you guys were like, hey, 3+ months, that's when you got to be patient, and then you'll start seeing results. Like, I was impatient. I wanted to have a full white man afro the day after my procedure, but if you just go with the process and you're patient a little bit, 3 months, you see process. 4 months, you see even more. And now we're rolling, man, we're rolling.
Yeah, we sure are. Guys, 12 months for full growth, so we've got another 8 months of growth to go. We're going to keep following up with Hammer. Man, we appreciate you. Thank you for your trust. We're excited. Things are going great. So keep it going, and we look forward to seeing you here for a follow-up soon.
Love it. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.